Ow!
All right. I got it.
Like I connected it to you?
Are you recording?
Yeah. But the thing is,
Stephen Colbert, passenger on the rocket. Yeah.
That's right. He's in outer space, man.
You're immortalizing him.
He's totally into it. Rocket super fast.
Mud Cave Super Pack.
See, this is the thing.
The Mud Cave Super
This is
Pack.
the thing that I need to do. Is I need to do this so that you don't have to chew on it. And this is, I'm just fucking lazy to actually do.
Stephen is going to be the first space beetle ever.
So you've got your astronaut on there like you want?
Yep.
Alright.
Cool.
Back.
Make sure we've got continuity.
Last time I shot this way, so I'm going over
Is
here.
that what you're looking to do? I'll launch that thing right up your ass if you want.
Put the gloves on. Put the gloves
Yeah,
on.
put the safety gloves on. As long as you have the safety gloves on. We're fine. Right?
For safety.
420. Or that's National Marijuana Day. What do you say when it's like loud and clear? Like what number?
Oh, you
10-4.
say
10-4.
oh, that's a trucker
It's
thing.
420.
It's a truck. 420.
That just registered.
Yeah, I just registered.
The truckers all say 420.
420.
Okay.
Stephen Colbert.
We salute you.
Quick one.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! Holy shit!
Are you serious? Are you serious?
That was some serious motherfucking firepower.
It blew in the wind. That was cool.
It tried to stick, didn't it?
Both of them go. Holy shit, look at the skid. Oh my god.
See, both of them went this time, right?
Cool.
Yeah.
They're empty.
Oh, all the
Those are
rope.
empty. We
Remember
saw
there
them
was a
go off.
rope on the stick? That's gone now.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's some
god.
serious motherfucking power.
Oh, look at that.
Steven's dead!
You killed Steven!
You killed her! You bastard! You killed Steven!
You killed Steven! You bastard!